Ecology is a scientific study of interactions among organisms and between organisms and their physical environment. First, the individual organism. A species is a group of similar organisms that can breed and produce fertile offspring. A population is a group of individuals that belong to the same species and live in the same area. Then, an assemblage of different populations that live together in a defined area is called a community. All the organisms that live in a place together with their physical environment is known as an ecosystem. A biome is a group of ecosystems that share similar climates and typical organisms. And finally, our entire planet, with all its organisms and physical environments, is known as the biosphere. An ecosystem is conformed with biotic factors and abiotic factors. The biotic factors are biological influences on organisms, and abiotic factors are physical components of an ecosystem. Primary producers are the first producers of energy-rich compounds that are later used by other organisms. The primary producers are produced by two different kinds of processes that are called photosynthesis and chemosynthesis. Organisms that rely on other organisms for energy and nutrients are called consumers. Carnivores kill and eat other animals. Carnivores include snakes, dogs, cats, etc. Herbivores obtain energy and nutrients by eating plant leaves, roots, seeds, or fruits. Omnivores are animals whose diets naturally include a variety of different foods that usually include both plants and animals. Scavengers are animals that consume the carcasses of other animals that have been killed by predators or have died of other causes, just like the king vulture. Decomposers feed by chemically breaking down organic matter. Detritivores. Often, they feed on detritus particles, chewing or grinding them into even smaller pieces. Energy flows through an ecosystem in a one-way stream from primary producers to various consumers. A food chain is a series of steps in which organisms transfer energy by eating and being eaten. A food web is a network of complex interactions formed by the feeding relationships among the various organisms in an ecosystem. There are three different types of ecological pyramids: the pyramid of energy, the pyramid of biomass, and the pyramid of numbers. Pyramids of energy show the relative amount of energy available at each trophic level of a food chain or food web. A pyramid of biomass illustrates the relative amount of living organic matter available at each trophic level in an ecosystem. A pyramid of numbers shows the relative number of individual organisms at each trophic level in an ecosystem.